Hello, I am Dr. Nitin, and today we are going to learn how to solve a very tricky problem. The problem is, I am presenting to a large audience and they don't understand my language at all. In fact, my audience understands three completely different languages. How do I manage? Sounds impossible, isn't it? No, this is not impossible. There is a beautiful feature in browser version of PowerPoint. So save your presentation on OneDrive or Teams, open it on the browser, then go to the slideshow menu and you will see present live. Open this drop down and let's do some settings first. Make sure you choose the best microphone you have and choose the spoken language. In this case, I am choosing India English because of my Indian accent. The next setting to think of is who can attend your presentation. Anyone or specific people who have to log in. I'm going to choose anyone. Now the question is, how are we going to present to people? There are three ways where this can be used. One is where you are physically in the room or conference room. You are presenting this on Zoom or Teams or something like that, or hybrid as well. Now let's see what happens when I click on the present live button. Before the first slide is shown, a separate display comes and this shows a link and a QR code. Now what we have to ask people to do is take out their mobile phones and scan that particular link. So when they scan the link, a browser opens for every person in the audience, and in that browser, whatever I'm speaking right now, they can see transcribed. Now on the main slide, I have a button called Show Slides, which is basically starting my presentation. So now I am showing my slide, I am speaking in the language I know, and some transcription is coming. But let's say as an audience, I don't understand English. No problem, I can click on the language or English button there, and now I'm going to choose Hindi. And everything which I have spoken earlier, plus everything which I'm speaking live, is now getting transcribed beautifully. Now just to make this even more complex, let me show you how you can copy this link. You can copy it from here, or if you touch the bottom part of the screen, this menu comes. Now this button allows you to copy the link. So now I'm going to paste this link in another browser. Now on this browser, I'm going to choose another language. Let's choose Japanese. Now, as you can see, while I'm talking in English, it is getting transcribed into two completely different languages in real time. This is absolutely amazing. There's such a large collection of languages for you to choose from. While we are at it, let's see what happens when the main presenter switches slides. So I'm going to go to the next slide, next slide. Now I'm on slide 3. Now as an audience, of course I can go to slide 3, but I can go back as well. And then I get a button called I want to catch up with where the presenter has reached. One click, I'm back. Now as a presenter, I would like to know whether people are liking what I'm showing. Are they happy? So there is a reaction button, a smiley button, and whatever people click on is shown live. Now at any point of time during the session, if you press escape, notice what it asks you. Do you want to resume the session or end? What is the difference? Resume means when you resume, people who are watching it using the QR code will continue to get your PPT and the transcript. Whereas when you say end the session, those links will stop working forever. If you don't do anything, after 30 minutes, it will expire anyway. So when I now resume the session, I am back in action and people are following me as before. And finally, in addition to all this, click on the 3 dots and you can rate the presentation, and a summary of that will be mailed after the presentation is over. So to summarize, you can use this to your advantage in multilingual presentation requirements. I'm sure you liked it. So why don't you actually click the like button, and very important, to share it with everyone around you, especially those who may need this in their day-to-day work. And we take a lot of effort to create this content, so it encourages us when you subscribe. So please do so and click the bell icon. That's it for now. Thank you.